So here are 5 things to have in your kitchen. Okay, so you need a vegetable slicer, like either a manual or automatic one. So let's just say, just make your choice. But if you can add the extra few bucks, you could afford an automatic slicer. But the manual is still good though. The manual is still good. That's for those that don't want to use a chopping board, or maybe if you want to cook faster. Understand? And you also need a carpet in your kitchen. I don't mean, I know some people say carpet like dirt and water, but if you know your kitchen is tidy, it's always tidy, and you can always make sure that water does not drop, you can have a carpet. And I don't mean like full carpet in the kitchen, I mean like just a mini carpet, like very pretty mini carpets, just for the beauty of the kitchen. And you also need a cooking spoon holder, like underneath your kitchen cabinet. You can place it there, like it's made of, I don't know if it's stainless steel or iron. Let's just say either, let's just say anyone, whether made of iron or stainless steel. Just buy a cooking spoon holder and place your spoon on it. You understand? And you also need a tablecloth. When I mean tablecloth, you need 3 types of tablecloth. You get? Okay, the third one is just for carrying hot pot, like to, or open the lid of your pot. But there are 2 other important ones: the soft tablecloth and the hard tablecloth. The soft tablecloth is for maybe after using the hard tablecloth is used for scrubbing. Like you can use it and scrub your cabinet, your sink, but you can also use a magic sponge if you want to. But if you use the hard tablecloth, you scrub everywhere, then use the soft one and clean, and everywhere will be perfect and clean.